Preparing for the day. A pharmaceutical sales rep usually begins the day by preparing a plan of the day based on his earlier prepared weekly plan. Pharmaceutical sales reps can have lists of target physicians of 120 in average. The first step of the day is typically to decide on a territory in which to travel and which physicians' clinics to visit. Before starting the day, pharmaceutical sales rep check his samples, promotional and educational materials. Pharmaceutical sales reps also do visits to pharmacies and drug stores to check the availability of his products as well as to get feedback. Pharmaceutical sales reps usually deliver sample products to doctors' clinics. Traveling. A large portion of a pharmaceutical sales rep's workday can be spent traveling, depending on the territory he is working in. Some territories can be almost as large as a small city, and reps sometimes travel for several hours. Pre-call planning. Once a pharmaceutical sales rep has arrived at the first clinic visit, he should conduct a call plan. This involves checking his tablet or comments for a previous call information about the physician, his prescribing habits and previous commitment. If the sales rep determines that the physician in this practice has not been prescribing his products as much as he normally does, one of the goals of the visit would be to speak to this physician to find out why he has not been using the product. Making the calls. When entering a physician's office, the sales rep will engage in friendly conversation with the clinic staff, check the recent prescription habits and try to speak with the physician. Many hospitals no longer allow sales reps to disrupt the physician's workday to talk about pharmaceutical products. Frequently, the rep won't be permitted to speak with the physician unless he has appointment. A rep travels from clinic to clinic most of the day conducting similar sales calls.
Conducting group meetings. On most days, pharmaceutical sales reps also have group meetings and lunches scheduled with physicians. The rep is daily responsible for confirming the lunch with the clinics in the morning and ordering the lunch from a restaurant. He is also responsible for picking up the lunch and all necessary supplies. The purpose of a group meeting and lunch is to get quality time with the physicians to discuss detailed product information.
Reporting. The remaining part of a pharmaceutical sales rep's workday is spent on administrative work. The rep is usually responsible for entering sales calls on a computer program, and sometimes he is required to input notes about the call. At times, reps will be required to conduct research on other products, review clinical research studies and take continuous and refreshing educational training about their products. Medical representatives are vital to the pharmaceutical industry and the healthcare profession. They promote their company's products to general practitioners and other healthcare providers. Product promotion occurs at face-to-face meetings or medical conventions. Sales representatives work in specific territories. Sometimes more than one medical representative works in the same territory. As of 2020, the average annual salary of medical representatives reaches $55,000. In general, medical representatives schedule an appointment, then meet with specialist physicians and other healthcare professionals in their clinics or hospital. They explain the product features and benefits. Representatives also answer any questions that the healthcare professional may have. The role of the medical representative is to make his targeted doctors interested in the product and prescribe more. Conclusion. Medical representatives do more than just sell. They analyze sales statistics and prepare sales reports. Representatives also file reports and expense accounts. Other responsibilities include reading about new and existing pharmaceutical products and monitoring their competitors' sales, prices and new launches. The core role of medical representatives is to create demands for existing products, ensuring availability at pharmacies, retailers and drugstores. Representatives also promote pharmaceutical products at trade shows and conventions.
Medical representative. It's not just a job, it's a rewarding career.